back everyone, it's your boy William back for another video. This time we'll be swapping the motherboard from this old A10e with a broken LCD screen into the new housing of the A10e. So first thing, we remove the SIM tray, so that will allow us to take the back cover of the A10e. So for this, we're gonna be using some razor blades, some pry tools, and you can use your nails. You can use anything that's gonna help you, like lift and pop up the snap security snap-ons that they have inside. So do this slowly so it doesn't break anything inside. Take your time with it and you'll see how it goes. I use this tool, especially in the corners. It's a little hard, but if you're patient, it'll eventually loosen all the corners. Once you open, you're gonna see that there's some 4 screws holding the cover of the main board. So we need to remove these screws, the Phillips screwdriver. It's actually more than 4. So unscrew all of the screws holding the main board. Remember, this is the old A10e. First, we're gonna have to do the same thing on the new A10e because we're swapping the motherboards. So take your time. All the screws need to be taken out. Now carefully lift the cover and wiggle if you find that it's stuck in some corner like I found, just wiggle it a little and it will come off. Now the top also has to come off, so just apply some pressure and it will easily be removed. Now disconnect the ribbon cables. There's 3 of them. You can use your nails again, or you can use a plastic pry tool. I use this is because you have to be careful not to touch these delicate parts with metal objects that might break anything. So plastic is the perfect tool to use, or your nails. Since I'm wearing gloves, I'm not using my nails. There's 1 screw that's holding the motherboard to the frame you need to remove. I just did it now. So once we've removed all of the screws and we check that there's no more screws anywhere, we can just start lifting the motherboard. Again, be gentle with the motherboard. If you find that it's stuck in some corner, just go for the other corner and move it. The camera came up, it's not big deal, we just have to put it again at the end. So that's it. This is the good motherboard. This is a T-Mobile motherboard, clean IMEI, that's gonna be swapped into this A10e that's in perfect condition, with no broken glass, no broken back, good battery, everything is mint on this A10e. But the motherboard, it's blacklisted on this A10e, so we can't really use it. That's why we're only using the housing, which is the front and the back and everything else. First thing, we remove the SIM tray to start doing the same process we just did on the other A10e. So again, use like razor blades or plastic pry tools to open the back cover. Again, like, do it at your own pace. Take your time. Don't like apply too much pressure, because it might break the LCD front, which is something that we're gonna be using. You know, everyone does this in a different speed. I do it like a little bit faster, I guess, than some other people. But if you are new at this, just take your time. You know, there's no need to hurry, or you're gonna end up breaking the LCD screen. So again, we're gonna be doing the same steps we did with the broken A10e. Remove the screws. Some people use an electric Phillips screwdriver, which I'll be getting soon, so I don't have to be turning the screws on my own. But not that it's hard, it's just that it might be a little bit faster in the future to get an electric screw, mini screw. Once you've taking out all the screws, just lift the cover again, just like we did on the broken A10e. Just lift by the corners, you'll feel the snap. Take them off, and then again unplug these three connectors that connects the battery, the charging port. Use your nails or the plastic pry tool. Disconnect the camera, which I just did, and disconnect these two antennas also. It's pretty simple once you get to do it like a couple of times. It's not too hard. This black screw also holding the motherboard to the frame, just like we did the other one. So we take this blacklisted motherboard. This motherboard is no good because It's blacklisted by T-Mobile, and you can't use anything in the US like T-Mobile, Metro, or Simple Mobile, which are the most popular. This motherboard is good. This is a clean A10e motherboard, which means you can use it with anything that's T-Mobile's networked, like Simple, Metro, Simple Mobile, Ultra Mobile, and many more. Put it into place. Make sure it's tight. No need to hurry, just feel it. Replace the camera that you just took. Put it back. Making sure that it's tight. Connect the antennas again. This whole process is very, if you like technology, it's very entertaining. It's like a puzzle. It's like building your Legos. It's only with electronics. So I'm getting this tool to help me, because I'm wearing gloves, and wearing gloves is not the same as just working with your bare hands. Working with your bare hands is always better, but since we have this COVID-19 epidemic, I'm using gloves in everything. Replace this black screw holding the motherboard to the frame. Make sure the antennas are connected, make sure the battery is connected, make sure everything is connected. Basically everything you removed has to go back. I'll put the cover back. So we're doing everything in reverse. Nothing out of the ordinary here. Now we secure everything with the screws we just took. So everything is tight. Yes, so once we finish putting all the screws, so we're almost done. We just have to snap into place the back cover. Snap all the corners into place. You'll hear the click will being secured. Yep. Then the last thing, we put the SIM tray where the SIM card will go, and we put it to charge. Well, this A10e had low battery, that's why I'm like charging it again. But since the charging I'm using is not charging. I'm gonna get another charger.
We're just gonna put it to charge a minute.
Okay, so we just got this more bigger power pack bank, and it's already charging the phone, already at 1%. We can now turn it on. A10e is a very good phone. We sell it here in my store. If you're interested, just pass by. For this job of the motherboard replacing, we charge $60, which customer Abdul already paid upfront. He's coming to pick up the phone in 2 days, so phone is ready. As you see, everything is working. The motherboard was replaced on this new A10e housing with a good front, but that's no longer cracked. The front camera is working, the back camera is working. Phone is 100% functional, as it should be. And $60 were made. So let me know what you think in the video and give me your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching.